Hello viewers. This movie is the sequel of Gitanjali movie. In the beginning of the movie, story of first part of the movie is narrated, in which a girl Gitanjali rejects marriage proposal of a businessman Venkat Rao because she already has a boyfriend. This makes him angry. Then that businessman harasses her and kills her and hangs her dead body. And by bribing the police, he puts all the blame on her boyfriend Madhu, and Madhu goes to jail. But Geetanjali turns into ghost and takes her revenge and kills Venkat Rao. After this, part 2 of the story starts. An HR manager tries to take advantage of one of his employee at night, but she runs away from there. But something happens to that HR such that the next day everyone finds his dead body. Then a tantric is called and asked. The tantric tells that the soul of a girl named Geetanjali lives in this building. Then that tantric puts Geetanjali's soul into a doll and buries that doll in the soil. But after a few days, an excavation takes place there and that doll comes out again. Then that doll is found by some puppet show person whose name is Kiran Rao. After this, the scene shifts to a director named Shinu who gets a call from a producer who wants to make a horror movie, which Shinu accepts. After this, another scene comes in which a girl named Anjali is shown who runs her own cafe and has to repay a huge loan. There, Krishan Rao comes with his doll, and at that time, Geetanjali comes to know about Anjali. Actually, Geetanjali is Anjali's sister. The name of Shinu's producer was Vishnu, who deliberately cast Anjali, Shinu, and their friends in his film because he considered these people responsible for his father's death. He forced these people to shoot in the Sangeet Mahal itself. Actually, Sangeet Mahal was a haunted place where Shastri's family used to live earlier. He had two daughters. The first daughter eloped and got married, and the second daughter was also about to elope when Shastri caught her and got her lover beaten badly, due to which her lover committed suicide. Seeing this, his daughter also set herself on fire. That fire spread so much that both the Shastri and his family also got burned to death in it. In this way, the story of the whole family ended in that place. Now, those people live there as ghosts and they kill couples whoever comes running away from their family. Vishnu had bought this building intentionally so that he could take the revenge of his father's death from Anjali and her friends. Actually, Vishnu was Venkat's son and he felt that his father was mistakenly killed by Geetanjali's ghost due to Anjali. That is why he wanted to kill all the people related to Geetanjali. And that's why he lured them all into making a film in which the ghost of the Shastri's family could kill all those people. But while making the movie, everyone comes to know that that place is a haunted place. And they try to steal the contract from Vishnu so that Vishnu could not be able to blackmail them further for shooting the picture in that haunted palace. When these people reach Vishnu's house, they come to know that Vishnu is Venkat's son. He wants to take revenge for him from Anjali and her friends. They run away from there. Then Venkat's soul enters Vishnu's body and follows those people and tries to kill them all. But there Anjali's sister, Geetanjali, arrives there in the form of a doll and she saves those people from Venkat. And Geetanjali locks Venkat's soul inside a doll. While watching the ending of the movie, it seems that there will be a third part of the movie as well. If we do analysis of the movie, in Vishnu's case, Vishnu wanted to take revenge for his father's death. That means there was too much aggression and ego in him. If you look at Shastriji's case, Shastriji's daughter eloped from home and married another boy without informing him. Due to this, Shastriji was very sad and also angry. Venkat also had terrible anger and ego. Any person who lives in such type of feelings like anger, ego, jealousy, etc., such a person is in lower consciousness. If you look at this graph, you can clearly see that the vibration of such feelings is lower. And due to this reason, such people have to live as ghosts or spirits. If you want to know about it in detail, you can also watch the attached videos. If you like this video, you can like, share and subscribe this channel. Thank you.